this is the Anycubic Kobra 3. We're going to check the eccentric nuts. So these are the eccentric nuts here. What you want to do is just check. I'm going to loosen them off so you know what I'm talking about, but see how it can just go by itself? It shouldn't be able to do that. So what you do is you get a spanner on that guy there, and then you tighten it slightly, and then recheck, and see it doesn't move by itself. It still does a little bit. So give it another little tighten. Now that's solid. And under here, if you bring it all the way forward, you can get to 1 and 2. Just check. But again, they're not spinning freely, so yeah, I just had to adjust my ones there. In the back of here, it's underneath, so you can see it just there. Right? So you just check when you rotate it. Mine's pretty good because it moves the whole head. It doesn't slide by itself, so it's a matter of checking if it slides the whole thing just by sliding the one wheel. Same there, it doesn't move anymore. Same there. Hope that helps someone. Have a good day.